Hello future homeowners, this is MJ, your trusted property realtor. We're here today at Metrogate Silang Estates to give you an exclusive house tour, one of our beautiful model homes. But before we begin, let me give you a quick highlight of this prime subdivision. Location: Metrogate Silang Estates is strategically located along Aguinaldo Highway, just 15 minutes from Calax. And guess what? We're also very near Tagaytay, approximately 14 kilometers away. That's just a 30 to 45 minutes drive. Punta naman tayo sa accessibility niya. Everything you need is within reach. FEU Cavite is located inside the community itself. Right outside the gate, McDonald's agad. Along the highway, you'll also find All Homes, Kenny Rogers, Shakey's, and many more convenience and dining spots.
Hello future homeowners! Let me take you into our Catherine 100 house model, a space where thoughtful design everyday meets comfort.
The Catherine house model has a floor area of 138 square meter and a minimum lot area of 120 square meter. Pagpasok mo pa lang sa bahay, makikita mo agad sa left side ang living area. Pero kung mas feel mo na nasa right side ito, walang problema. Dito naman nakapwesto ang dining area. And this side naman, meron tayong common toilet and bath para sa first floor. So, diba, malaki siya. And then, punta naman tayo sa kitchen area. So, ang kitchen area, so complete na rin to. May mga kitchen cabinet na rin. So, malawak ang kitchen area ni Catherine. Perfect for your family gatherings. So, ito yung buong first floor natin. So, it depends on you kung paano na siya bibigyan ng design. Punta naman tayo in this side. Ito yung first bedroom sa first floor. Ang first bedroom natin ay may sariling toilet and bath. So, etong bedroom na to, pwede siya maging maid's room, storage room, or guest room. In this side naman, ito yung family area. So, kapag day off nyo or may mga bisita kayo sa bahay, so pwede dito sila pumesto. And then, labas tayo sa side of the house. So, meron pa ditong extrang lamay kung anong pwede nyong gawin sa kanya. So, ito yung side of the house. Nasa left side, yung parking area. Kasya po dyan yung 1 SUV or 1 sedan. Kahit malaking sasakyan, kakasya naman po siya. So, ito yung buong features ng bahay. So, meron pa po siya dito sa kabilang side, which is yung back of the house. Kasi nasa gitna po ng lote yung bahay natin. So, ito naman yung second floor. Ito yung hallway niya. So, sobrang laki nito. Pwede siyang maging tambayan ng family and friends nyo or kahit may meeting pwede siya. And then, this is the master's bedroom. So, for your loved ones or kahit sa mga family na nagsisimula pa lang, perfect to. Kasi hindi siya masikip. Malawak yung square meter nitong master's bedroom natin. And then, labas tayo. Meron ditong pangatlong toilet and bath, which is para sa second floor. Share dito yung master's bedroom and yung pangatlong bedroom. So, ito yung pangatlong bedroom natin. Kung may mga anak na kayo, perfect. Para sa magulang nyo, para sa kapatid. Pwede din siyang maging workspace if hindi nyo naman siya kailangan gawing kwarto. And then, let's go sa balcony natin. Ang balcony is square type. So, pwede pa kayo ditong maglagay ng design, anything you want. Pwede siyang coffee in the morning, pwesto kayo dyan, then kwentuhan kayo, your family, sa umaga, and then pwede siyang pahingahan sa gabi bago kayo matulog. Kasi maganda yung view ng Metrogate Silang Estate. So, hindi kayo maboboring tambayan yung balcony nito. Bago matapos ang video na to, gusto ko munang ipakita sa inyo kung bakit panalo ang Metrogate Silang Estates pagdating sa amenities. Unang-una, meron tayong malaking clubhouse with a function room sa second floor. Perfect venue for family events and special gatherings. May fitness gym din para sa healthy lifestyle mo. Meron tayong football field at basketball court na mismong ginagamit ng mga students sa FEU. Kaya quality at well-maintained talaga. At good news, ang golf driving range natin magre-resume na ulit this year. Swak na swak para sa mga mahilig mag-golf. Pero ang pinaka-highlight, ang ating resort-style jungle pool. Para ka nang nag-staycation araw-araw. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-out of town. Dito pa lang, panalo ka na.
Let me know kapag gusto nyo ng site or unit viewing. Just call me or text me sa number na to. See you!